This is a briefing around 7:30 p.m. on Sunday, June 18th, 2017, on Monday afternoon and night's weather in the Northeast. We're still looking at a fairly significant severe thunderstorm, mainly a damaging wind and large hail threat, though an isolated tornado or two can't be ruled out, and a flash flooding potential Monday afternoon into Monday night for much of the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic regions. But first I wanted to show what's currently happening. There are some thunder showers and thunderstorms, some that are severe, that are forming over western New York and western Pennsylvania this afternoon. Those are moving northeast at about 30 to 40 miles per hour. You can see here this is a visible satellite overlaid with radar, and the severe thunderstorm warnings are the yellow polygons. Starting around 2:30 p.m., 1830 Z, legend is in the bottom right, and ending approximately right now, 7:30, 7:40 p.m. Eastern Time. These showers and thunderstorms are forecast to weaken as they move east tonight. As the sun sets, we lose daytime heating and instability wanes. And I think they'll start to break apart and not be as strong and severe as they are this afternoon. And that is handled fairly well with the HRRR model, High Resolution Rapid Refresh. This is the 20Z initialization, the 4 p.m. Run. And you can kind of see as I step through time here how the storms over western New York, as they move into the Champlain Valley, they begin to weaken, especially once they move east of the Greens later this evening. This is 4Z midnight local time, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and basically we're left with some residual showers overnight. Maybe a couple rumbles of thunder, but definitely not as strong and severe as they're seeing right now in New York State and Pennsylvania. What will happen tomorrow is that we probably will get a break in the morning from any precip, as seen here, and then the cold front is really still back west, west of Lake Ontario. So as this additional batch of showers and storms starts to move east tomorrow, this is 7 a.m., we'll have similar situation to today, warm temperatures, high muggy relative humidities, and high dew points, and that'll cause instability to occur. And right now, this is what the Day 2 severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center is, what they're forecasting. This hasn't changed much from yesterday. They're highlighting an enhanced risk over Bennington and Windham counties of Vermont, stretching through the Capital District of Albany, down through Poughkeepsie, Newburgh, and sort of northwest New Jersey, and extreme eastern Pennsylvania, including Philadelphia and the capital region. An enhanced risk means that it means primarily there's probably going to be some numerous severe storms. They may be more persistent or widespread, and there may be a few intense storms. That's kind of the layman's terms for explaining these 5 different risk categories, specifically with this orange enhanced risk. It's really dependent upon probabilities of the severe weather occurring. That what dictates the different severe outlook categories. But an easy way to look at it is this table. I like the way that the Storm Prediction Center outlines in layman terms that the public can understand what this means. Surrounding this enhanced risk, there's a slight risk, meaning scattered severe storms, short-lived and or not as widespread. That still can't rule out any isolated, intense storms. If any discrete isolated storms form out ahead of the main shower and thunderstorm line, those would probably be more severe and capable even of an isolated tornado or two, and larger hail. So that's what we're looking at right now for the severe thunderstorm potential. And we're also looking at a flash flooding potential. It's looking like the storms may train. They may act like a train and be one after another over the same area, dropping torrential downpours. And so the areas outlined in green, this lime green, in this webpage for preview.weather.gov/EDD, the enhanced data display, are showing places that are currently under a flash flood watch. It's nearly impossible to pinpoint exactly where flash flooding will occur, but the National Weather Service is trying to give a heads up that at least in these areas, it's possible that there could be flash flooding. We could see 1 to 2 or 3 inches per hour flash flooding with rainfall associated with torrential downpours in these storms. So that's an additional threat along with the severe weather. So keep abreast of the latest information. Go to weather.gov and click on your state, and you'll get the latest forecasts and watches and warnings as we head into the day tomorrow. And I may post again tomorrow. We'll see. So that's it from here. Any questions? Feel free to post in the